Welcome back to Autoverse Reviews, your trusted destination for the latest automotive breakthroughs. Today, we're unveiling the all-new 2030 Toyota Camry, a redefined icon that blends future-ready technology, bold design, and hybrid innovation like never before. The 2030 Camry isn't just a mid-size sedan anymore, it's a technological masterpiece. Starting with the exterior, Toyota has completely redesigned the body with aerodynamic contours, a wider stance, and sharp LED matrix headlights that give it a futuristic edge. The new signature front grille flows seamlessly into the sculpted sides, giving the car an aggressive yet elegant presence. Under the hood, Toyota has retired the traditional combustion engine lineup in favor of a full hybrid-only system. The 2.5-liter dynamic force engine, paired with Toyota's 5th-generation hybrid technology, delivers up to 240 horsepower while offering fuel economy numbers that touch an incredible 60 miles per gallon. Whether you're cruising in the city or hitting the highway, the 2030 Camry promises both performance and efficiency. Step inside, and it feels like the future. A massive 15-inch floating infotainment screen dominates the center console, powered by the latest Toyota Smart Connect OS. Wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay come standard, and the intuitive voice assistant responds to natural speech for navigation, climate control, and more. Digital keys and over-the-air updates ensure the car evolves with time. Comfort is second to none. Premium eco-leather seats, ambient lighting with 64 color options, and customizable climate zones make every drive feel luxurious. The Camry now also features Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing hands-free driving in certain traffic conditions, perfect for long commutes. Safety remains Toyota's priority. The 2030 Camry includes the latest Toyota Safety Sense 4.0 suite, which adds advanced driver monitoring, predictive collision prevention, and real-time hazard detection through AI-powered sensors. On the road, the 2030 Camry feels more planted and refined. With enhanced suspension tuning, active noise cancellation, and regenerative braking, the driving experience is quiet, confident, and incredibly smooth. For those wanting something sportier, the XSE trim brings a sport-tuned suspension, gloss black accents, and optional all-wheel drive. And yes, there's even a plug-in hybrid variant for those seeking electric-only driving in the city. With prices starting around $31,000 and top trims nearing $42,000, the 2030 Camry continues to deliver unmatched value, luxury, and performance in the mid-size sedan category. Toyota has done it again, pushing boundaries while staying true to the Camry's legacy of reliability, comfort, and innovation. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the futuristic 2030 Toyota Camry, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from Autoverse Reviews. See you in the next ride.